Friends, we all know that is a current traded cryptocurrency. Everyone want to collect Tron, Ethereum, BTC. So here I will explain Tron Square plan. You can easily earn here lakhs of Tron very short time. This system working with a very good motive, very big vision and mission. They want to provide us financial help, unique binary metric program. They design here 100% decentralized digital program. There is no any admin, no any interfere with our wallet and with us. Smart contract verify, it will follow the rules of blockchain technology. That is very big plus point of this plan. And in this system 2 by 8 vertically matrix will place here top to bottom and left to right. We will earn here with a 7 level structure. That is a very big income here, working and non-working concept. So friends, if you want to more about Tron Square concept, then please watch this video till the end. You can easily join here. Joining amount is only 900 Tron. That is very affordable amount for you and for your team also. Now there is no any condition that you must have to refer any person. It's depend on you. If you refer to other, it's much better. If you not, then also you can take here non-working income. Tron Square is working and non-working plan. Suppose you refer 2%, you will get here 1800 Tron, because each and every direct referral will pay you 100% direct referral income, and you will get this income instantly on your wallet. Now to go to first level to second level, there is 1200 Tron. Your second level will be upgraded and your earning is here 600 Tron. If 2 member of level 1 refer to other 2 member in front of them, then there are 4 member count, because all 4 members have activated their second level by 1200 Tron. Then in second level total turnover is 4800 Tron. Out of these 2800 Tron is our third level upgradation, and our income would be here 2000 Tron. Here you are seeing sponsor income 20% and level income 80%. It means that whenever the IDs are placed in your down, then the direct upline of that ID will get 20% of its level upgradation, and it is being placed in the down of it will get 80% income of its level upgradation, because here in your down this table will be filled with globally from the ID of your upline, from the ID of your downline. From that ID the member joining is anywhere in the system. Now as soon as you have upgraded your third level, you will see that a matrix button will come in front of you. Now as soon as you press the matrix button, the smart matrix button here, your wallet should have 5000 Tron. Its gates cuts from there. Now any member will press the smart matrix button after you in the system, it will be counted in your down. In the first column of the matrix button, there is a 3 member will be come here in your downline. From all 3 members you have an income of 5000 Tron, total 15000 Tron. Second column upgradation has to be given from 10,000 Tron. In the second column here your downline will be filled with 9 member. Total you get here 90,000 Tron. Total income is 95,000 Tron. There is no any upgradation, all yours. You can start with 9900 Tron also and take all metrics non-working income. Circulate your metrics button next to next these Tron. How you can invest 9900 Tron? See, you can join here by 900 Tron. You have to pay upgradation for one level 1200 Tron, for second level 2800 Tron, and for matrix button you have to invest here 5000 Tron. Total is 9900 Tron. Now let's talk about the third level. There is 8 member. By these member 22,400 Tron will be made, but here the total income is 13,400 Tron. 20% means 4,480 Tron goes to sponsor income, and 80% means 17,920 Tron goes to placement level. And with 9,000 Tron your fourth level will be upgrade here. When you upgrade your fourth level, again you will see here matrix button. That name is silver matrix button. There is also 2 column, and first column when you press silver matrix button, there is 50,000 Tron will be get cut here, and after you any member press silver matrix button, they will count in your downline. In first column there is 3 member. Your total turnover is 1,50,000 Tron, and 1 lakh Tron will be go to second column upgradation. Total you shave here 50,000 Tron in the first level of silver matrix button. And in the second column there is 9 member. After you who press silver matrix button, they will be count here, and per member you will get here 1 lakh Tron. Total 9 lakh Tron you will get here, and there is no any upgradation. Total income is yours. Total silver matrix income is 9.5 lakh Tron. Let's talk about fourth level. Your fourth level automatic upgraded by 9,000 Tron, and this is already upgraded, and there is a 16 member will count here. Total turnover is 1,44,000 tron. And next level, fifth level upgradation is 25,000 tron. That is automatic upgraded here, and your income is 1,90,000 tron. Sponsor income 20%. 20,800 tron, and placement level income is here 11,5,200 tron. When your fifth level upgraded with 25,000 tron, again you will get here gold matrix button. You have to press this button, and your total profit in gold matrix button is 90 lakh tron. See what a magical income here. Can you believe on this? You are joined with only 900 tron. You are taking from here lakhs of tron in very short time. Again we will talk about fifth level income. Total profit is fifth level income is 7,50,000 tron here, and you will jump to again next level. Next level is sixth level, that auto upgraded with 50,000 tron, and when your sixth level upgraded, you again see here royal matrix button, and you can see here there is also two columns. First column upgraded by 5 lakh tron. When you press a royal matrix button, your wallet get cut from 5 lakh tron. And thereafter any member press royal matrix button, the member count in your downline. Any member means globally any members, not in your downline only. Okay, so there is 3 member count here. Total you will get here 15 lakh tron, and for second level 10 lakh tron will go to upgradation. Your profit is first column is tron, and your second level upgraded here from with 10 lakh tron, and there is also count here 9 member. Total you will get here 90 lakh tron, and your total profit in royal matrix button total income is 95 lakh. Now I explain 6th level income that is already upgraded, and there is 64 member will be count here. Your total turnover is 32 lakh. Upgradation for 7th level auto upgradation is with 1 lakh tron, and we will take here total income is 31 lakh tron. Now as soon as your 7th level upgraded with a package of 1 lakh, you again see here crown matrix button, and this button work in the same way. There is also 2 column. You will get here 3 and 9 member in both column, and your total profit in the crown matrix is 9.5 cr tron. And talk about 7th level income, there is 128 team members. Total turnover is 1.28 cr, and there is no any operation. Total 1.28 cr tron is ours, and total income of crown matrix 9.5 cr tron is also ours. So that is the magic of tron square tron. We have invest here only 900 tron, and if you are investor, you don't want to refer any percent, then you can start here 9,900 tron easily. So friends, to take 7th level income level 1 to level 7, and to take all matrix profit, please join soon with 900 tron. And for joining, you have to contact on WhatsApp number which given in description box.